And we're still recording. They didn't like that last joke I did, but it was funny. Anything happening to my eyes still watering a little bit. That means the knife is getting close to being sharp. They must have not liked the concrete joke neither. But that's all we're doing is making grout. Y'all want to look at my face. I'm still pretty. See, they expect me to shut the door because they're going to use this and make some money off of it. Now they're hoping to. The right people will. The wrong people won't get to. Yeah. See, starting to round a little bit. You can almost hear my voice changing too. I have a brother, his voice sounds a little bit like that. I don't do impressions or nothing like that, but somehow, when I sharpen knives, my voice changes. Certain pitches. See? You can hear it right there. It's letting me know that I've rolled the edge of this. See how my voice straightened back out? Hear that? It's getting close. See, they don't want me to show you that. Because that damn thing right there will shave right now. See, they're worried about the edge of it. And we're resurfacing it. I know, they want me to talk about that, but I'm not going to. I like to leave one side a little bit more. See my voice change back? My brother Jamie sounds like that. See, Jamie, he wants to float and trial it. It's not going to stick like that. Not in the grout. Concrete term. And they probably won't let me put this on, but if they do, yeah, they look pretty. My nipple's too hard yet. It is a little nippy in here. It's a beautiful day though. The sun is shining. I know. You can tell by the sound, voice change. But see, we don't know what's going on. My voice goes back to normal. All from sharpening a knife, because they want me to hold it here. And I can. And you know it's sharp as fuck. They don't want me to cuss, so censorship. There may be children watching. See, concrete you do a half a moon. We're not doing concrete. Some more nicks. You have to fix them. Because they want you to be Oz. But we're resurfacing it. And they want me to believe that's all you do. Knife is pretty sharp. You can tell I got all the nicks out of it. They don't forge it in steel. I don't do all that neither. Never even seen the show. Got it from a pawn shop. $32. Gave my little sister the other knife that they bought for me. Back of it needs a little bit. We want to see it, don't we? I don't touch this knife, it's just decorative. It's a different design on it. See, I'm not sharpening it. I'm just, see my voice change back to Jamie. Because they don't believe you can resurface a wet rock. But you know what you get? X marks the spot. It's right there. The treasure for all the Pirates of the Caribbean, there's Jamie again. So we know something's up on that part of it. And see, they didn't like that. But it won't remind me of being in jail. Because it's illegal to sharpen the back of a knife. But it's nothing to say that you can't sand the back of it and give it a different pitch, because look how thick it is. The knife will not cut you. That is just sanding the back of it out, the profile of it. So whoever made that happen didn't like it much. But, see, it may look, but it is not. So it is still legal to have and to possess. See that? It's not. But the front is sharp as fuck. So, you have the wet rock steel.